Right, so this is my Indian FTR1200S, currently running a stock exhaust, which is going to be changed very shortly, but I thought I'll give it a bit of a run so you can hear the exhaust difference. So this is the stock sound. There you go, stock exhaust, which will be gone in just a moment. Alright, so install done. This is the Toce low mount full system, including a brand new set of headers, gorgeous polished headers. Believe it or not, that is a muffler. Very impressed with the quality of this exhaust system, it's amazing. But bugger that, you want to hear how it sounds, so here we go. She's brilliant. Bloody happy. Cheers, guys.